All right, let's work through an additional example, but now with distributive property. So we see this 2 in front of this. We cannot move on to combining like terms just yet because we first have to distribute. Distributing is when you multiply the outside number by everything inside, and this is what we're going to do to start. So we have to break this down to 2 times negative 3y, and then minus, don't forget the minus since it's in between there, 2 times 1. You could have also put plus 2 times negative 1 if you applied the 1 there. Either one of those would have worked. And first, let's break these down before we combine it and bring down that last part. So anytime you multiply a number with a variable and a constant, all you do is you multiply coefficients, which those are the numbers in front, like this, negative 3 and 2, and then just plop that variable on the very end. So negative 3 times 2 would give us negative 6. Remember, different signs, negative, and plop that y on the end. And then minus 2 times 1 would obviously give us 2. And I'm going to bring down the rest from this equation, plus 2y and plus 7. I got that from up there. Now let's identify terms that are like. We have negative 6y and 2y. Those are like. And we have negative 2 and positive 7. Last step is combining those. So remember, it's as if you're adding or subtracting the coefficients, which are the numbers in front of the variable, and then plop the variable at the end. In this case, you have negative 6 plus 2. So since they're different signs, we subtract. 6 minus 2 would give us 4, and we keep the bigger sign, which is negative. So this gives us negative 4y. Just plop the variable on the end. And then when we combine these two, we have negative 2 and 7. Remember, different signs, subtract, and keep the bigger sign. 7 minus 2 would give us 5, and the bigger sign is positive. So we are left with positive 5. When we combine the two, we get negative 4y plus 5. There is another example for you.